this is what my overthinking looks like. And gusto ko lang siya i-share. So yeah, wherever something triggers me, my mind can go everywhere. Like negative, positive thoughts, random ideas, and sometimes everything at the same time. And I'm having a hard time to manage it. And sometimes I can spend so much time inside my own head that I lose focus on what I'm actually trying to do. So lately, instead of trying to force myself to stop thinking, I started writing. And gusto ko siya ipakita kasi every time my mind gets too loud, I put my thoughts somewhere in my notebook. And nakakatawa kasi I turn them into stories. Sometimes content ideas. Sometimes I just write whatever is in my head. So imagine, kaka-overthink ko. Nakapag-create ako ng stories, pwede siyang book or another content. Pero hindi ko pa siya tapos. And I was thinking if may potential ba ako maging writer. I don't know, but I know this has been helping me a lot lately. And I also realized that writing everything down isn't always enough. Sometimes you need a better questions because maybe you're not actually lost. You just have too many thoughts competing for your attention. And that's actually one of the reasons I created my opportunity thinking workbook. So it's about getting clearer about your goals, career, business, and what you actually want to do next. So okay, inside this, I use questions that help you slow down, challenge your perspective, and think through your options. Because sometimes you already know you need to move. You just need clarity on where you're going and why. So, if you're someone who has a lot going on in your head, and this workbook can help you too. So, it's on the link in my bio. And always remember this, you don't always need to stop overthinking. Sometimes you just need somewhere to put your thoughts and better question to guide them. Okay?